Hello everyone and welcome to Gadgets 360, and today we're going to go ahead and unbox the Asus ZenFone Max Pro M2. So this is what the box of the ZenFone Max Pro M2 looks like. You do have a few specifications mentioned. So the processor for this one is based on a 14nm process. It does have a max 5000 mAh battery and it says max durability. So let's go ahead, unbox it and check what the device looks like. So this is the ZenFone Max Pro M2. Now it does mention that it is powered by a Snapdragon 660 processor, a 5000 mAh battery, and it's got Corning Gorilla Glass 6 at the front. This is first look at the Max Pro M2. Now the back kind of reminds me of the Asus ZenFone 5Z. It's a similar color finish and it does look premium. Let's power it on and let's see what else do you get in the box. So you get a case in the box. So let's check what else. So you get a charger and the cable. Now this is a micro USB cable. So well, the Max Pro M2 has a micro USB port. Let's check the charger because you have a big 5000 mAh battery. You will need a fast charger. So this is a standard 10 watt charger. So I think it will still take over 2 hours to charge the mammoth 5000 mAh battery on this one. Let's set the phone up now. So while it is setting up, let me run you through the specs. So at the front you get a 6.26 inch Full HD plus display with a notch. It is a 19:9 aspect ratio and the display has got 415 nits worth of brightness. There's Corning Gorilla Glass 6 at the top, which should keep the display safe from scratches. Powering the phone is a Snapdragon 660 processor. You do get multiple RAM and storage variants. So there's 3 GB of RAM with 32 GB of internal storage, 4 GB of RAM with 64 GB of internal storage, and another one with 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. Now the phone is quite thin considering it has a 5000 mAh battery and it doesn't feel bulky or heavy in the hand. At the back it has a fingerprint scanner which is fairly easy to reach when holding in either hand, and a dual camera setup which consists of a 12 megapixel primary sensor and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. At the front you get a 13 megapixel selfie shooter, and well, this looks like a selfie flash. So now that the device is booted up, as you can see, the interface is quite like stock Android. So Asus has opted for a stock look for the ZenFone Max Pro M2, and as you can see, you do not get a lot of apps pre-installed. There's Facebook, Instagram and Messenger. Apart from that, nothing else pre-installed. Let's quickly check the Android version that ships with the Max Pro M2. So as you can see, the device runs on Android 8.1 Oreo, and we are currently running on the 1st October patch, so an October security patch, which is fairly recent. So while we have the SIM ejector tool handy, let's take a look at the SIM setup that the Max Pro M2 has. So it has 3 slots, 2 of which is for the nano SIM and a dedicated micro SD card slot, so storage is expandable on the M2. So that was a quick unboxing and a first look at the Asus ZenFone Max Pro M2. What do you guys think about this device? Let us know in the comment section below. And as always, for all things tech, stay tuned to gadgets360.com.